Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So we are finally on the decorating and everything episode. If you're new on here, welcome. My name is Ada. I love everything cleaning, motivation, organization, and decorating the house and all of that. So if you're new on here, welcome to my channel. Don't forget to click that subscribe button and click on the notification bell so you don't miss the next upload. Don't mind me, I'm looking like this because I'm about to get to work. So I am going to be changing my countertops today. I don't like the color because I hate the fact that I have to look through it to see any dirt. Javan, out from there. Get down to your room. So I literally like white. So I got white contact papers from Amazon. So this is going to be like a rental kitchen makeover. So if you have a rental kitchen or anything, this is a good deal for you. Okay, I've done this before in my previous apartment. Thank you, baby. Thank you. So I'll be doing this again. So let's open up this and see how it looks like. This is actually the first time I'm opening it up. No, go give it to Olivia. So first thing you want to do is actually to clear up the countertop and everything. But let me open this up real quick so we get the thing out. And I got about 4 rows. I hope these 4 rows will be enough. I don't know, but let's just get going. So guys, I started off by cleaning up the counter and just clearing everything. I had a whole lot going on this counter. I just have a whole lot on there, so I started off with one part of it, cleared everything up, wipe it down because you don't want any dirt, dust, oil, whatever it is on it, so that your counter paper can stick properly. So I wiped down everything and then I started to place this particular contact paper. I like it because it's white and it's kind of like glossy, but one thing I realized is that it's kind of like it has more bubbles. No matter how hard you try to make it work, it just has more bubbles on it, and yeah, that was a bit annoying. Yeah, but I try to make it work as much as I can. And then the bubble part, you can see me you see me using, like, you use pins to like bust them open and then try to flatten them as much as you can. That reduces the bubbles, that stops it from being too much on there. It just flattens out nice. Yeah, the counter paper is nice. Working with it is strong, and yeah, I think I would just recommend it, but you just so you know. Yeah, this is me using my needles to just poke through the bubbles and then flatten them back out, and you can see how it decreased, like you don't see the bubbles anymore. I also have my bathroom makeover coming up soon, and you guys will see that as well. So if you have not subscribed, do go ahead and click that red subscribe button there, and also click on the notification bell so you don't miss my next upload, and you always know when you're notified whenever I post any new videos. I also have more cleaning videos coming soon. I know I have been missing in action lately, but I'm trying to be back. Okay, it's just been a whole lot going on. I've been working a whole lot and it's crazy. Honestly, my life has been busy. It's been crazy, but I'm planning on coming back fully to YouTube. Yeah, because I miss making these videos and posting. I just miss all this. So I am coming back fully, so you guys will be expecting more videos and more content, everything. You already know what I do on here, so you guys will see more content. So stay tuned and you guys will definitely be seeing it So yeah, and man, see this thing, forget seeing it on camera, this thing takes time. Like it takes time. When I mean it takes time, you really need to be patient. If you're not a patient somebody, if you're not patient enough, then don't just bother going to do it. You have to be patient. I love my things looking nice, so I know that good things take time, so I am patient enough to wait and do it the best I can, the best way I can. So I was just, if you're not a patient person, please don't even bother, because you have to take your time in order for it to look good and all. That was what I did. Yeah, I was patient because I wanted it. And if you guys want this particular contact paper, just leave a comment down below and I'll get the link from Amazon. Everything I'm using I got from Amazon. I'll get the link from Amazon and I'll put it down in the description box down below. Don't forget to like, comment and share, as that helps my channel as well. Yeah, you can see me doing this as careful as I can, so because you don't want no mistake and you want it to look as perfect as you can, so you have to just take your time and do what you have to do. You can see me applying, taking it out, putting it back. It just takes a whole lot of work, but you just, of course, everything good does not come easy, so you have to work on it. And you can see how it's already transforming the kitchen. I really liked how it brightened up the kitchen area and everything. So yeah. So after the other part, I cleared up the rest of the countertop and I am now doing the second part of my countertops. And yeah, I don't think I included that video, but after this, it's just that, you know, when you order things from Amazon, it just takes time to come in. But after I ordered things from Amazon, I did my, what is it called, the backsplash on this kitchen, and yeah, it came out good, but not as good as I would like it to. So I'm planning on redoing it and I'll be showing you guys when I redo the backsplash and everything. And of course I also got some kitchen lights for the for under the cabinet. I got that as well from Amazon. If you guys need the link, I will definitely leave the link down below in the description box, and just leave a comment and let me know, and you guys will see how cool my kitchen looks at night and how it is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is the finished look, and I love how bright my kitchen turned out to be, and I'll be showing you guys what it looks like at night. My kitchen is a vibe, you guys. It's a vibe. Make sure you subscribe, like, comment, share this video with your friends and family. That really helps my channel. I'll definitely be seeing you guys in my next video. I have more makeovers for rental friendly makeovers and everything coming up, so you really need to stay tuned. Okay, yeah, this is how my kitchen looks at night. It's a vibe. Okay, I'll leave everything down in the description box. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.